Hi everyone, just a quick video today to tell you about my July Stampin' Up product share. So for the month of July, I'm going to be offering an in colour product share and that's going to include 5 sheets of A4 cardstock, 5 sheets of the 6x6 glimmer paper, 10 sheets of the double-sided designer series paper, a quarter pack of the matte dots and 10 yards of baker's twine, which is 2 each of the 5 colours. So I'm going to show you all that in a minute. The price for all that, including sign for postage to you, is going to be £22.95. At the time of you seeing this video, the registration has been opened and it's opened until the 30th of June. It will close on the 30th of June because on the 1st of July I'm going to be sending out invoices to anybody that registers, and then payment needs to be made straight away because I then have to put my order into Stampin' Up and order all the products, get them delivered to me, split them all up, package them all up and get them sent out to you. So I'm just going to run through what you're going to get. Now, my pack of in colours that I've got handy here, I've not got all my colours in A4 because I've been using it a lot recently. So this is all 12 by 12, but you will get 5 sheets, so 1 sheet of each colour in A4. So you've got the Parakeet Party, the Tahitian Tide, Sweet Sorbet, Orchid Oasis and Starry Sky. So they're the 5 in colours. So you'll get 5 sheets of A4 cardstock, 1 of each colour. You'll also get 5 sheets of the glimmer paper. Now this is a speciality paper, so this is single-sided and this is 6x6. So you'll get 1 sheet of the Sweet Sorbet, and this is like ombre and it's glitter, and this cuts lovely with your ScanNCut or, you know, with your die, your manual die cutters. So Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide. And can I just say, while we're on Tahitian Tide, I now sell branded merchandise in my Stampin' Up shop, and this is my insulated tumbler that's in Tahitian Tide. How lovely is that? So next time you're on my website, just go to shop products at the top of the page and then scroll down to branded merchandise and you'll find them. Anyway, back to the colours. So Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis and Starry Sky. So 1 each of those. You will get 10 sheets of the in colour 6x6 designer series paper. So again, this is all the same in colours, and you get 2 sheets of each colour. So one side has got dots and checks, and then the other side has got stripes and little flowers. And again, you'll get 1 each of those in each of the colours. So these are, you know, all Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide. So you'll get 10 sheets of that. You'll get a quarter share of the matte dots, which are all in the in colours, and again these are ombre, so I'll just try and split them up as best I can. And then we do baker's twine, so you'll get 2 yards of each colour. Again, Parakeet Party, Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis. So you'll get all that, including signed for postage from me, for £22.95. Now, there are other in-colour products that you can add on if you want to. And when you go to my website at applelover53.co.uk, click on the Stampin' Up tab, and then you'll find a tab that says Class Share Kits Club. You click on that. That is where the registration for this will be. You've got to register to tell me that you want to take part in the share. And then on that registration form, it will ask you, do you want to purchase other items at the same time? So other things that you could buy that are all in the in colours are the Tea Boutique envelopes and pre-scored cards. Now, if you took part in my June product share, which was the Tea Boutique suite, you'll have got a couple of these cards and envelopes as your free gift from me, but you can buy a whole pack and they really are lovely. They're already, the envelopes are all decorated for you, and then your cards are all pre-scored and everything for you. Let me just tell you how many you get. There's 20 cards and 20 envelopes in a pack, so you could add those on if you wanted to. And then the in colours, you could add the in colours of the ink pads. Now you can buy these colours individually, and if you do only want to buy an individual one, just register for the share and then send me an email, or I'll try and add a box on for other comments and tell me if you just want an odd one. But if you buy the 5 in colours all together as a bundle, they come cheaper than buying them individually. So that's just a couple of, you know, other items that you could add on if you want to at the time while you're buying your product share, because then you'd have the ink pads, you'd have the twine, you'd have the matte dots, you'd have the designer series paper, you'd have the shimmer glimmer card, and you'd have the basic card. So you'd be, you know, set. You could use that then with any stamp set or dies or whatever that you own. So if you buy the share and you buy the ink pad bundle, I will give you for free the ScanNCut cutting file for my buckle card if you own a ScanNCut. Again, there'll be a question on the registration saying, do you own a ScanNCut machine? And it doesn't matter what model machine you have, all my cutting files are made in the ScanNCut format, so they'll cut on any model machine. So the product share for July is the in colour product share, and there's a few samples here you can see that I've done with the in colours. I'll just try and zoom in. So my buckle card was done with the Sweet Sorbet and the Starry Sky. The cube card was done with the Starry Sky and Parakeet Party, and my TP pyramid card was done with Tahitian Tide. These are all cutting files, by the way, that are available for purchase in my ScanNCut cutting file shop. Again, on my website, if you go to applelover53.co.uk, select the shop tab and then scroll to ScanNCut cutting files, you'll find all these. So that's, as I say, my product share. So just to reiterate, you have to use the registration form, which is under the Stampin' Up tab. Register your interest. The registration closes on the 30th of June. On the 1st of July, I will send an invoice out like I did last month for the previous one on the 1st of July to everybody that's filled in the registration form. Be looking out for that invoice, because sometimes they drop into your junk or spam folder, and I can't wait. They need to be paid straight away, because obviously if somebody doesn't pay, it's stopping me ordering all the items for everybody else. So you'll get your invoice on the 1st of July, pay that invoice. I will then, on the 1st of July or 2nd of July latest, place the order for all the products, get all the products sent to me. Once I get them all, I will split them all up, package them all up, and send them out to yourselves with signed for postage. There's also one other thing I forgot to mention. In our new May annual catalogue, there in the in colours, there's also metallic ribbon. I've not got any to hand, but that's something else you could add on. That will be on the registration form. It's 1/8 inch metallic ribbon, and again comes 10-yard roll, and it comes in all the colours. So for that one, there isn't a bundle price. It's just £8.50 for each roll. So you may just want to add a roll of your favourite colour, or you might not want to at all. But that's just another product that's in the in colour range that I've just not got here at the moment with me while I'm filming this video. So that's my product share for July. I hope you like it. And thank you to everybody that bought the product share for June. Just as a reminder, go to applelover53.co.uk, select the Stampin' Up tab, and then scroll down to where it says Class Share Kits Club, and choose that option. You'll find all the details about this product share. You'll see the pictures and everything, and then there's a registration form. You fill it all out with your name and your address. You don't pay at that moment. You're just registering to say you want to take part. But then further down the registration form, I say there's a question that asks you if you're a ScanNCut user, so that I can send you the free buckle file. And then there's all the other options that you can add in if you want to. So you're just telling me that, you want to add those in, and that way I know what to invoice you for on the 1st of July. All right, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.